ready, set, go. Okay guys, I didn't even plan on making this second video today, but oh my god, they might have to start calling me different names. I was calling for this one. I've been calling for this one for a long time now. Pretty much all the way since before this pattern had its full breakout. I've been calling that this band of resistance will make it all happen. And look at this. So let's tell the story here. Earlier today, we were here. I was saying, hey, guys, there's almost no shot anymore. We had hit this band of resistance, bounced off, and then fallen below this upward sloping support that was trying to become resistance. However, we hit a higher low, and it turned out to be a fake out. We'd come up, we had tested ourselves at this band of resistance. We were here for a few hours today, talked with it, we kissed it, and then we'd gone inside and we'd hit the top of the band of resistance. Now we are teetering within, and like I said, the converging lines only get smaller and smaller. There is only so much time left. Guys, take a look at this. We have not even hit the downward sloping resistance yet. We have not even hit it. I told you we just about had, and we could call it a hit, but we hadn't, and it doesn't count if we hadn't hit it. Now that we've had this massive fake out here, we are now on our way to retest. So the first price targets to watch out for are the $21,400 level. If we can hit that level, we are guaranteed a shot at this downward sloping resistance, and we are guaranteed a shot to break through. If we do break through, we are now looking to get to the next high. Next high would have to be higher than 22,150. We have to beat that. If we can get a next high over that level, we are forming higher highs and higher lows. So now we can officially say we are no longer in a bear market. Also, note this. This downward sloping resistance is a special downward sloping resistance. It's been forcing us downwards, knocking us down, dumping the price since April. It has been hurting us. Every time we touch it, we dump, trade sideways till we would touch it again and dump. Right here, if we are to touch it again, the likelihood of us dumping is higher than of us breaking through. So if we are to break through, we can erase this line. It is the past. That was the bear market channel. That is now all but over. If we can break through this line. Now, all things being considered, what do you think? What do you think is next for this Bitcoin price? I think today and this week are the history, as well as the week previously where we hit the bottom. This week right here, where we're farthering ourselves and getting further and further from the bottom. This is the true historic week because we actually confirmed that was a bottom, and we are not going back down to sink lower. We are actually going to use that to boost us far higher to new all-time highs. How high can we go? Let's see. Well, first we do have to watch out. If I take a look here back on the daily charts, we do have to watch out for this level where we traded for a long time, the $28,000 level. I was predicting a breakout towards that before this dump even happened, but now that we ended up here, it took a while, but I think this target is a good first target. And if we can hit that, next targets would be obviously the $32,000 level. There's a lot of there's resistance bands we can create and draw out, and support bands we can draw out from that $28,000 to $32,000 level all day. That is a historically common number for the Bitcoin price in the past 2 years. I've seen that during a lot of phases, during all these cycles in the past 2 years. We would get into this little band right here. So it's very likely that if we do hit the $28,000 level, we will find ourselves around that level in the 30, from 28 to 32 for a while. Now say we do get higher, and we may ride this support line the whole way. Next, well, Take a look where we were just a few months ago in April. This line right here, the 37,400, 500 line. We would use that consistently throughout time to mark how high we could go. Back here, early 2020, 21, or late 2020, early 2021, we had hit a new all-time high, double the previous all-time high of 20,000, almost double. We'd hit the height of 40,000, came back down below, retested the levels of 37,500, and broke out to new all-time highs. So come back down later on, hit this level, find a lot of sideways action to happen around this level, fall below. As soon as we hit it again, come up, retest, come up, hit this level, and also a very common level, the $52,000, come back down far. We can't even touch the 37,500, so we bounced all the way up for a new all-time high. So as you can see, then early 2022, when we came back down to the $32,000 level, oh sorry, 37,500 level, we found a lot of resistance there. There was a lot of volume at that level, and we couldn't break through. And then as soon as we did, we fell victim to this downward sloping resistance. And now we are just now seeing a window of opportunity to make that one more part of the past. Now I'm sounding extremely hopeful here, because I am. This is very hopeful to me, the fact that we've gotten to this part and we didn't break below. So I'm gonna take a look at the sandbox now, because like I said, this is one of my leading indicators before I end this video here. Lines. I can't type. Yeah, so this ascending triangle pattern is all but still happening, and we have to come up. So as soon as sandbox hits the levels of $1.30, I think we'll all have our eyes on this crypto market, guys. So immediate price targets, once again, look out for the 21,400 level. If we're hitting that, the bells will be ringing. Everyone will be outside screaming, Bitcoin is back. I'm telling you, that's the first level we need to hit. Same with sandbox. Gotta hit the $1.30 mark. And I think I'll leave it there. When that happens, if that happens, I'll be here. I always gotcha.